is a car wash packed at 9 a.m.? Yeah, I'm about to go right there. Y'all, everybody faster than me. Welcome back. If you don't know who it is, pretty K. I'm on the way to the car wash right now. Like, I'm almost there. Why is the car wash packed at 9 a.m.? And I'm in the wrong lane. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm so like discombobulated right now. You think I'm bluffing? Go for nothing. Do my glide. Y'all, so I made it to the this little spot where we was all supposed to be meeting at, but I done got kind of scared. An ad? Why would an ad play? More than expected. You said something? Yeah, I'm about to go right there. But when we leaving? We about to leave right now? Okay. Y'all, everybody faster than me. Everybody pull out so fast, but I can't lie, I was keeping up. I can't lie.
Man, the sun of the sky. For a rapper, I was a trapper. For a trapper, I was a I ain't never seen you out here before. That's why I was just asking him if he knew you. You came all the way out here to the strip.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's up. Pretty K.
Yeah, it's the first one.
I'm gonna tell my boy to throw you in a group chat.
Okay. Like, I look like insane, don't I?
For YouTube or
Yeah.
TikTok?
For YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah. So, I made it to carmeet and I'm just sitting down on the bench and stuff. It's a lineup of the cars and I'm at the front. He said that identifier is a super. I'm gonna leave my car turned off.
My shit sound better and it still stopped.
And then you see my car down here, Dan?
What'd you say?
You seen them? And then my car down here, Dan?
Yes, it looks good.
Wait, let me turn right here.
I would have to say it looks kind of good.
Yeah, I look like one down there. Y'all getting snacks?
Yeah, you want to look, I don't pour a liquor in mine. Let's go clean your hands so you can eat your ice. Let man.
Baby, when I tell y'all that I am cold, but it's supposed to be 78 degrees, but is it giving 78 or is it giving 0? And the wind is taking my hair right off of my head. Like, it's taking my hair right off of my head. No, but I need to charge my phone too. Baby, that wind was getting me. The wind was getting me bad. I had to put my hair in one big braid in the back. Whew.
Yeah, baby, car good in the hood. Back and take me on the waist, little baby, come inside. Feel about the way I'm feeling you. We can catch a vibe, be in the street.
I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm hungry. I'm cold. I need to put my seatbelt on. No, I'm just playing, but that was a really fun time. There was some really nice cars out there, some really fast cars. Like, going to that made me like, it made me need a track hawk. You know what I'm saying? Like, before I just wanted one, like before I just wanted something, but like it made me need it.
Man, I'm trying to get me a piece of dessert. Fuck with that, all that. I need me a piece of dessert.
Come up here.
Nah, there you go, man. I don't want to drink, listen to that shit.
Okay, hey y'all, it's 8:49 and I ended up leaving there to the drive back. I was so sleepy, but now I'm up and it's another meet that I had came to, but this one is like a lot of cars. I mean, the last one was a lot of cars, but this is like a lot of cars. So I'm about to go ahead and get out and I'm really just about to walk around. I'm saying like it's a lot of cars. I'm saying like a lot. And it's not just Chargers, it's like every kind of car. I should have parked my car over there with the other Chargers. I parked my car way at the top with the Subarus. It's so low. He trying to miss all the speed bumps. There's Fast and the Furious. Got the Honda. My nana used to have one of them. What do we have here? Who do we have here? The Pinkster. She just under the sign, like she just chilling. She just chilling low key in the cut. Very much blacked out. Yes. Oh, he got a sign out and everything. Okay. Chargers. They got a place for kids to skate? Like, I would have brought my skates if I would have knew that, honey. To be real, y'all, can y'all really tell me I'm not a car girl? You know what I'm saying? Like, can y'all really say that to me, or would y'all be lying? Cause I think that y'all would be lying at this time. I'm about to sit on my car and post up because what can I say? I just really been out all day doing this kind of car stuff. Like, it's so crazy that it's this many cars and everybody's still pulling in. Like, wow. But it's so many types of cars out here, like stuff I don't even know. Mustangs, Mercedes, Chargers, Subarus, like just a little bit of everything. These motorcycles. Like, this is nice. This is nice. I want to come back over here and look at the chargers though, because they look nice.
I started walking around looking for it.
Okay, y'all, almost went in the house without an ending, but today was a really good day. Met some new people. Pinky got some new friends. I like this one that we had in the city because it's like, it was really like cool cars, you know what I'm saying? Like, it wasn't just Chargers, stuff like that. Like, it was actual like Hondas, stuff like that, like cars that I don't even know nothing about. Yeah, but like I said, I had a really good time. I'm gonna try to start going to more car stuff because Pinky like doing stuff like this. Like, Pinky had a great time today. But yeah, thank y'all for coming along with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.